Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to shortly create a YouTube short in LumaFusion. It's actually a lot easier than you'd think, and it's very convenient because of the fact that you're using LumaFusion most likely on your iPad or iPhone. So here it is. If you want more tips in the future, feel free to subscribe. But here we go. So first let's say you want to create a new project, right? You create a new project. Now here, as you can see, frame rate you can do based on clip added. Aspect ratio is where we want to change it though, okay? We want to do a portrait, 9:16 ratio. And then once you click on that, it will create it for you. And let's go to our actual files and let's drag this down here. As you can see, it is formatted in the short form content rather of YouTube Shorts. And to export it, you simply would just click on this share/export, click on movie. You can share it directly to YouTube if you want, but I like to put in photos personally. It should keep the ratio like you have it, so that should be good. The resolution, that 2K resolution, but that is 2K vertical format. As you can see, all of these appear in vertical format because of the fact that I have it as a vertical video. And then simply just, after you're satisfied with the thing, go to the save and it saves to your phone. There is my saved file right here. My LumaFusion folder is where it goes to by default. There is a second way though. Let's say you have a normal video that's full resolution. Well, to save it as a YouTube short, you simply would need to just click on this question mark gear wheel right here in the corner. Change from 16:9 to 9:16 portrait mode. Click out of there and that will change it to portrait mode. And then you can actually crop what you want to appear by clicking here and actually cropping it a little bit. So let's say we want exactly here, and then afterwards we will just go back and yeah, it's cropped there exactly like we want. And then we would just export it like before. Click on here, click on movie, click on photos, and we want to make sure the aspect ratio is correct, and it looks like it is. So then we proceed to export it, and once again it gets exported. And yeah, that is how you go about saving YouTube Shorts, or rather creating YouTube Shorts using LumaFusion. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.